base at it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Base at it, and I am back with another video, man. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I got some good videos in the work for y'all. So y'all be patient with me, man. But y'all gonna make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, and help grow and join the family, man. I'm gonna try to knock this little project out before I go to work, guys. Well, I didn't tell y'all, cause like I say, when I go cold turkey, I be working on shit, man. But I got something for the truck. That's right, man. I got something for the truck. We about to install that, and we're gonna do it before and after. We're gonna do the unboxing and see what it look like, because this will be my first time going in it, and you know, we'll see what's the contents inside of the box or whatever, man. So with that said, man, let's get straight into it. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. We almost at that 4K mark, man. Keep in mind, every 1,000 subscribers we get on this channel, y'all, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So y'all just keep that in mind. Y'all make sure y'all continue to like, comment, share on these videos, and let somebody know about their channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause we going up, straight up. You know how the old song saying? What the old song used to say, y'all? Slow dough is better than no dough. You feel me? So let's get it, man. Okay, so as y'all can see, we got some Spec-D tuning headlights. You know what I'm saying? If y'all looking for lighting for y'all vehicle, y'all make sure y'all go check them out, man. They make some pretty good product. No, I'm not sponsored to say that, but they make some pretty decent product for the price. And y'all know this channel is all about, you know, building your vehicle on the budget. That's what it's about. You know what I'm saying? I ain't go out and spend no $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800 on those headlights, and they look real good, which y'all about to see. So let me find something to open the box up with. Got one of my old keys or something. Y'all be patient with me. Be patient with me. And we about to see what this thing, see what it come with. See what these things look like. Hold on, y'all, I gotta put this down. Okay, guys, these are the headlights that I went with. You got the halo, and you got a daytime running light. So I'm really anxious to see what it's gonna look like. Y'all can see they black housing, got the black housing. Ain't too much else coming in the box besides the headlights, the packaging. And it did come with some instructions, excuse me, and they actually colored. Like, so you get some pretty decent instructions, which these are pretty much straightforward. You got your positive and your negative for your halos and your daytime running light, and the rest of it plug and play. The rest of it plug into the OEM connector. So like I say, it pretty much plug and play, man. So the next step is to pull the grill out. Once the grill come out, you have access to your headlights. There's a bolt. Let me show y'all. I mean, I know y'all probably already know this, but there's a bolt back here. Well, up under here, you have to undo, and then your headlight just slide out. You know what I'm saying? So it's a pretty straightforward process. But like I said, I got to go to work, guys. So I'm about to try to make this quick, even though it's early. But I still want to lay back down before I go to work. I just want to go on and start my headlight, because I have had them like 2 or 3 days, and I haven't had a chance to hook them up. Because like I say, I be grinding, y'all. So let's knock this out real quick. Let's see what it look like. guys, so I have finished all the connections. Like I said, everything is plug and play. Don't mind that. I just took the boot off to see what side headlight fitted, because I am gonna be changing the halogen headlights out for some more LED for the projectors. But if y'all trying to put some halo projector with the dry light with the daytime running light on it, y'all gonna have to, your headlight gonna, most of them will probably come with the positive and the negative, the red and the black wire. What you want to do is, this is your park light, turn signal, whatever you want to call it. This brown wire is gonna be the positive. Your brown wire gonna be a positive. You gonna have two negatives coming from your turn signal, park light, whatever you want to call it. And you get the black wire that come with your headlights, and you tap into one of the either one of these grounds on the back of your signal light. So the brown wire is going to be your positive, and you got two negatives you can tap into. So no, mine ain't the prettiest, but I promise you're gonna get the job done just fine. And let me show y'all that they do work. Show y'all real quick. Turn the park lights on first, and as y'all can see, they on. Look pretty damn good. Can't lie, can't stunt. They brighter than what I thought they were gonna be too, y'all. The video don't do it no justice. They actually bright. Can't wait to see it at night. So I just turned the headlights on, and as y'all can see, that's the halo. I meant the projector. So I'm pretty pleased with it, man. Let me mount this one in, and we're gonna complete the same process on the driver's side, and then we're gonna see what it look like, man. I'll give y'all before and the after, and we're gonna see what it look like, man. I know it's gonna help the appearance of the truck, because I really want to delete most of the chrome on it. Not all of it, but most of it, because this truck had a shit load of chrome on it when I first got it, and it just wasn't my style. Don't put it like that. It wasn't my style. Like, it got just the right amount of chrome on it, right, to where, you know what I'm saying, it looked good. Granted, it looked good with all the other chrome, but I had to take that shit off, y'all. I got to make the truck mine. Now there's only a couple more things I got to do to it, and honestly, I'll be completed with this truck, man. I'm gonna leave the truck all the way alone, besides put my music back in it. So let's get the other headlight back in, and we're gonna wrap this up, y'all. Okay, guys, so the install is complete. I don't know if y'all can hear the truck. I just fired the truck up. There's maybe one or two more things I got to do to it, and I promise y'all I'm gonna be done with this truck. As far as like the visual upgrades go, it's gonna be over with. Next, I ain't gonna lie, I want to put some tow hooks and shackles on the front of it. Not just the regular tow hooks, I want the shackles. I don't know if I want to get black, or do I want to get the chrome, the accent, the box. I don't know, y'all. I'm undecided. And then, of course, y'all know we're gonna lift it up. No, I'm not gonna make it 8 inches, you know, a 8-inch tall truck. No, it's not gonna be a 10-inch tall truck on 26 and none of that. I just want to lift it up to the point where I can get a full turn out of it. I can get a full lock. So maybe a 5-inch or 6-inch lift on it, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna keep the same 22s on it. May go up to 35, or I may keep the 33, because like I say, I want the drivability of the truck. Like, I can drive it anywhere, but it's hell trying to get in parking spots when you're going like Walmart, Sam's, or somewhere with close cars, just that close quarters like that. I ain't gonna lie, it's hell. You got to do at least a 3 or 4 point turn to get in the spot. So it's kind of a headache, but I'm used to it. So like I say, at least a 5 or a 6-inch lift. That way I can get a full turn out of it. I can whip the motherfucker like I need to, and that pretty much gonna complete it, man, and put my music back in it. But without further ado, let me show y'all what this shit look like, man. Let's get it. I'm super excited. Let's do it.
Brian Little.
Okay guys, that's the finished product. You know what I'm saying? We got the fog light shots, the big shots out the I think it's FLSTC for sponsoring those fog lights, man. Like I say, the link will be in the description below. If y'all want to pick up some like the ones I got, they need to be clean. Ain't shit wrong with them. The whole truck nasty, y'all, so I just got to clean them up. But if y'all want some of those, the link will be in the description below. Like I say, they bright as fuck. Take my word for it. On the road, the fog lights by themselves are brighter than my high and low beams on, y'all, if that makes sense. It illuminates the entire road, even all out in the bushes. Like, them fog lights are crazy bright, y'all. So big shouts out to FLSTC for sponsoring me with those fog lights. But I picked these up on Amazon, y'all. I think these headlights was like $170, $180, and it truly made a huge difference, man. A big difference. Truck don't even look the same. It like, I can't wait to see them at night, y'all. So I give y'all a shout out at night, and this video probably upload tomorrow. And then we got some more stuff going on for Ghost tomorrow. I know y'all seen a couple little snippets I be posting. I'm gonna get y'all some outside flicks, all that good stuff. I know that, you know, that what people be wanting. I like to see it myself, so we gonna get y'all some flicks, show y'all how the car flexing. And yeah, they're gonna pretty much conclude the install, man. We went from this to that, from this to that. Hey, you can't beat it, man. Like I say, I may go and clean the whole truck up because my fog lights and all that look a little crazy with all that dirt and debris on it. But yeah, man, it's coming along slowly but surely. I truly hope y'all enjoy watching the progress of all these vehicles, you know what I'm saying? There it is, man. There it is. Thing look good. Look real good. It's your boy Base at it. Like, comment, share, subscribe.